Hey. At night, it's always not things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Start with what you have. You just have to press record. Maybe if you're watching this video, probably using your smartphone or a laptop, whatever equipment that you have. Your first videos will always be the worst video, but there is something powerful about moving. As long as you ensure your audio is audible, you don't have at first to start invest expensive audio equipment. You can choose on what time to record your audio. Maybe at night. It's always not noisy.
Quiet.
It's quiet, yeah. So you can opt to record your audio during that time. Create your video using your smartphone and ensure that your lighting is okay, because no one will want to watch a dark video. Use natural lighting. Choose the time of the day when light outside is okay. So when you're shooting your video, ensure you have good stabilization. Position your camera in a stable way to avoid it being shaky. Don't compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Invest in your knowledge, skills, and equipment. You can learn by watching videos, or you can learn from those who have done it before and those whose values you resonate with. You can also invest in mentorship and some online workshops. Invest in your skills. You can maybe enroll in a practical editorial skills that can teach you how to improve your editing skills, and practice how to create a good thumbnail and know how to choose a good title for your video. You can do research on affordable equipment that will work best for your production. You start saving up for nicer equipment, and you level up. To review your analytics, you can go to on YouTube. You have the YouTube studio. You check to the analytics. You check how your videos have performed. Study and go real deep in your video analytics. Allow the YouTube system to work for you, because the only way to promote YouTube is to your YouTube video. It's through the YouTube channel. Once you create good videos, YouTube itself will rank your videos and submit them to and suggest them to a lot of viewers and recommend and recommend them to many channels for them to watch. Consistency is the king or queen, or consistency is supreme, whatever way you want to keep it. Don't quit on yourself. If you don't do it for you, who will? Have a strong reason why you starting your channel. Maybe it's because you want that dream home, or you want to pay for yourself that better vacation, or you want to make money, you want to have financial freedom, or maybe it's about proving people wrong. Yeah, have a strong reason why you starting your YouTube channel. And another tip that will help you to stay consistent is to create a schedule, an uploading schedule. It will motivate you and push you on. Let's say maybe you're posting once every Tuesday, specifically at 8 p.m. videos. In terms of consistency, you have to find your rhythm, best production that works with yourself. Don't start pushing all videos. Let's say you're posting every day, and then it reaches a time you quit, you tired, or maybe you have other things to do. At least you create a flexible schedule. Make it consistent for you yourself. Don't try to be someone else popular. No one is you, and that's your greatest superpower. You can maybe try asking 3 or 5 people about the best qualities that they value about you, and let the traits shine when you're creating your YouTube videos. Find your unique voice. Try different things until you find your rhythm. And YouTube channel and is not just subscribers. These are community that you are building. Focus on building the community. You're just not building a channel. You're building a community with actual real people. And maybe some people click into your video because they're feeling that sense of belonging. That impact of spreading positivity, or maybe having fun, entertaining your viewers or educating them, or maybe someone is going through a hardship or loss or grief, and you're just connecting with the with audience and letting them know they're not alone. You have to embrace the culture of being disliked, because not everyone will like what you're producing, and people will talk, people will comment, and there are those people who will comment negative things about your videos. But what you have to do is to just keep on recording, keep on moving, don't quit on yourself. Let me add for you a bonus point that I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel, was to work with answering specific questions. Smart creators do research before they press the record button. Monetize that passion. Every day there is always a new learner, a new student who wants to solve something. Maybe you're teaching them how to open a YouTube channel. Maybe those DIY hacks. Maybe how to style something, maybe how to do makeup. Make people watch your video, because after watching their video, they'll know they will learn something from the video. Before improving my knowledge and skills on how to do a good thumbnail, I usually used to upload a video and then I let YouTube select for me whatever thumbnail that it will put. But that's not inviting, that's not clicking, that's not interesting for it to attract more views to your YouTube channel. So it's good. You can maybe use Canva. That was a goal that I'm working with. YouTube has a system that I was just posting randomly, because I have a YouTube channel. I did not allow the YouTube system to work for me. I was working for myself, not considering the YouTube system and its algorithm. When you starting YouTube, treat it as a business. Because if maybe, let's say you have a business, you have a company business maybe that deals with clothes, you won't just mismanage the business, because at the end of it you will want to get money and return back your profit and do other investment. So when you're starting a YouTube channel, treat it as a business. How you treat your business in the same way you need to treat your your YouTube channel. You'll see growth after you become consistent. I know it's a process, it's a journey, but okay, virtual besties, thank you for watching this video. Kindly engage with my YouTube channel. If you find it resourceful, you can give it a thumbs up, and maybe if you don't like it, you can also give it a thumbs down. Comment down below on ways you can help me improve the channel.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
My goodness, I've not posted in YouTube. Let me go and post. I was waiting for that adrenaline